Hey, welcome back, guys, to my channel. That is the Midcap Trading. Okay, so let us discuss आज के trade कैसे execute किया हमने and what are the crucial levels and how did the indicator perform in the MCX sector. I'll just show you one of the hedging videos what I have captured today. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so directly Telegram pay. This is my hedge position. The position here and I went short. You can look over here. This particular position is running here. So the total PNL is around 13,800. So why did I book profit at the bottom here only? I'll just show you the reason behind this booking the profit. This is one of the case. I'll just show you directly. We will go on the Go Charting platform pay midcap. This is our midcap chart. I'll just refresh it once so that you get a clear understanding about the delta. I exited somewhere around here. Market was hovering for a long period of time in this particular region. You can look over here. और ये line जो आपको दिख this green color line, ठीक है? ये लाइन आया कहां से? I'll just show you from where did I get this particular level position book किया. You're seeing here this green color line. That is the reason I booked my profit here. If you have any difficulty, you just observe it. Just look at this is unmitigated order blocks. Unmitigated in the sense, or we can call it as a virgin order block. We have got enough buyers holding their buy position in this particular location so that you get a better understanding. We'll delete this. Okay. We are seeing them. We call something as a limit order. Excuse me, guys, for the handwriting. So something called as limit orders are sitting here. This is one thing. I could have the position till here, okay, but there are very few scenarios where I have observed people, they are getting a right exit in the market. So getting out of the trade, that is also very important. Second part, the levels what I plotted. I'll just show you the levels in the other platform. Okay. We got a very good feature, guys, here. Fires may. I'll just show you guys here. So यहाँ पे this particular zones, right? They got plotted automatically from the fires terminal itself. The support resistance or the heavily invested area, sellers activity. So easily quantity you have to just ask here. I'll just close this. Draw and supply and demand. तो यहाँ पे automatically है ना plot हो जाएगा. So this is one of the advantage what I've taken in today's trade. Automatically, already the second thing is the levels what I have. So the magical levels. So this I ignored. I was not available to take the position here due to some reasons. Okay. I was traveling. I got another opportunity here and I exited somewhere around this particular position. Positive delta market. As you have seen in the this was also acting as a value. It came back. Getting it. And these are the levels, guys. I have reached till this point और दिस पॉइंट. तो मैंने यहीं पे मेरा पोजीशन बुक कर लिया. द रीजन बिहाइंड बुकिंग द पोजीशन मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन. पॉजिटिव ऑर्डर ब्लॉक्स अवेलेबल है. And the second reason what I can tell you is, okay, this first candle, this is a bullish candle के almost 50 या 75% market है ना retrace की. This is almost 50% market. So there are very high possible chances कि market, this is something called as a green reversal. We call something as GRP. ठीक है. So this is all a premium content, guys, what I share with my webinar students. Okay. So if you also want to learn all these concepts, you want to gain momentum in the market, I request you people to join the Telegram channel. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel. Videos मिलते रहेंगे on daily basis. Ask a trade. I'll just show you one. Hold on, guys. I'll just share my screen. Setup. So a lot of people were asking about, will it work on the indexes as well? Yes, definitely it will work on indexes. I'll just show you guys. Gold, I just showed you guys. Like in the other video, यहाँ पे buy signal already. और कितना buy signal capture? Almost 1,000 points. You can see here. The LTP is almost 1,000 points. Getting it? So if you'd have invested just 50,000 invest, your capital would have turned to 80,000 in just 2 days. 80k. Getting it? I'll just show you the other instruments what I have. Many people were asking to show the other. 1 minute. I'll just open the mid cap. First we will analyze the mid cap here. So just look at here. So the profit percentage what you see for mid cap is 47%, guys, and the profit factor is 2.96. So for every 1 rupee what you invest, in return you're getting 2.6 rupees. Okay, this is called the profit factor, and this is your present PNL what is running. Now I'll show you the list of trades what we get. 100 points के SL के behalf में you're getting 300, 375, 310. ठीक है, it is exactly 1:3 ratio is fair enough. Whenever you are into a trading business, 1:3 is always a good ratio. ठीक है, 1:2 is a good ratio. 3 is better. Like good performer, you can tell. 1%, rest 2% you're taking home. Okay, rest 2% you're taking it to your home. Getting it? I'll just delete these guys. Just look at the matrix. I've just tuned it for the mid cap sector. Like people were, asking me tune it for mid cap. So I've just tuned it for you guys. Okay. So only 36 of trade. ठीक है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो the number of trades what I've taken is out of 36 trades 17 are profitable. ठीक है. अगर आप 17 भी profitable, so like it's kind of in 50-50. Like 1:3 अगर आप still you are in profit of 320 or 3,200 points आप profits में हो. ठीक है. Just think of it, guys. Getting it? So yeah, this is what I had for today, guys. Just stop the sharing. Okay. This is what I had. I request to join my Telegram channel. Software may interest, do reach out to me. We are providing this software on a subscription basis, guys. We are not charging heavily. Okay. So it is just 599 rupees for each instrument. If you're trying to trade in gold, the other commodities in MCX, it is a different price. If you want me to give you for indexes, is a different price. But it's very reasonable, guys. Like within 1,000 rupees, you'll get a better software, a better call opportunity in the market. Okay. Thank you, guys. This is what I had for today. Bye bye. See you.